All right, y'all, we are back. Our little intermission is over or whatever. Thank y'all for stay tuned and tuning in and shit. But you know what I'm saying? We had to refresh and jump back.
Yeah.
You know, that's what players do.
Yeah.
Say players don't get musty. You feel me? Real niggas, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, I ain't finna sweat. You feel me?
Might see that.
Who?
Might see a bump and just move around that bitch.
Clean, you feel me?
It's gonna be a bump.
It's gonna be some.
It's gonna be some bumps. We expecting all the bumps, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. But get what?
Around that bitch.
Gotta move smooth, you heard me? Alright, so here we go. We're gonna come back, y'all, with that music with your boy Official Sick 85 on Instagram, Facebook too. What it is on Facebook?
I'm sick with Joseph.
Sick with Joseph.
Yeah.
On Facebook. Alright, y'all. So
I got too much friends on Facebook, but you can do my business page on Official Sick 85 though.
okay, so then Official Sick 85 on everything, y'all. Google that man. Here we go.
I just wanna ball, walk in my neighborhood and show you how we living out here. No matter how real you keep it with a nigga, still some niggas only respect death and violence. Probably come out violent in my neighborhood, but still I go to war with my own kind and a dirty judge. And they wonder why this 40 in my hand and wouldn't pour it on my way. I can't get caught in a jail. Just falling down my eyes, I was at 17 when Boo died. I bought the porch and I almost died in my first shootout. Don't tell me shit what you about. You don't know what I go through. All you know what I show you is some shit I wouldn't expose to you. Trying to get niggas game, niggas trying to get close to you. And when they get close to you, that's when they get to poking you. But I'm ready for whatever. I didn't walk with the devil, can't get caught with that melon. Cause they know I'm a convicted felon. I'ma tell me that and tell me I need to do better. Brother, getting some new money, not just wanna fall 2 summers. I just wanna ball.
Yeah. 2 summers. Summer coming up, y'all. It's about to be summer like a motherfucker. You heard me? Hey. Goddamn, my Ratchet is always dropping some shit. Hey, that was good.
I'm just trying to make it in the game.
Yeah.
Ball out like LeBron James.
Like LeBron. Hey, that's my shit right there. I like that, y'all. Okay. He came with 2 summers. You feel me? Official Sick 85. Y'all, that was smooth. That was real smooth. All right, you got one more for us, right? Let's see that second one, y'all. It better be as lit as that first one, or we gonna tell it is. Ratchet.
For the second one, I got, you know what I'm saying, you did Boss Man on the second one, though. You know what I'm saying?
Who is Boss Man?
I got Boots on
Oh, okay. He got Boosie on the second one. Yeah.
And the title of that bitch is You a Hater. You know what I'm saying? Because I know all of us y'all haters. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tone it down a little bit. Trying to keep it a little commercial for the little ones, though. You know what I'm saying? But it's universal. And y'all better look out for that. You're a hater.
Pay attention. You a hater. If you pressed up right now while you watching this, or you're listening to it, you're a hater.
You're a hater. Fit the category.
You fit the category. You ain't got to ask yourself.
Yeah.
Here we go. I got one of those.
You can trace them up, man. You can trace them up, man.
Oh, I got a man, that's what it is, Yeah! I'm finna run it up, pull up in the money truck, I swipe on 100 plus. I look like a million bucks, but you a hater, and you be hating,
Yeah.
and you be mad at everybody that's getting paid.
Yeah.
You a hater,
Yeah.
you a hater, you be hating.
Okay, with the second
You
one.
a hater, you be hating.
Yeah.
Always got somebody name up in your mouth and never got nothing good to say. Put the talk right behind somebody back and never ever said it in their face.
You a hater.
You a hater.
You a hater. You a hater. You a hater.
Always got somebody name up in your mouth and never got nothing good to say. Put the talk right behind somebody back and never ever said it in their face. You a hater.
What?
And you be hating.
What?
You be mad at everybody that's getting paid.
Yeah.
You be mad. Big man. jail. I lost all my clientele. Yeah, to go get a job, be like my little clients, they come back to the mail. But you a hater.
What you is?
And you be hating.
Yeah.
And you be mad at everybody that's getting paid for. I'm trying to run it up. Pull up in the money truck. I swag on 100 plus. I look like $1 million.
Yeah.
But you a hater.
Yeah, what you is?
And you be hating.
Yeah.
And you be mad at everybody that's getting paid for. You a hater.
You a hater. You a hater. Hey, that's that hoe you hear after that hoe go off. You feel me? After you walking out the club at night, you like, you a hater. You a hater. That hoe was stomping. Y'all need to spin that hoe on YouTube. Man, say, fuck with your boy.
No, I know everybody got haters. Come on, man. Stop.
Everybody got haters.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so the last game of the night, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to the Ratchet Tracy show
Real talk.
with your girl Ratchet Tracy. And he about to get into his single last game for the night to let y'all know he got swagger and he ratchet and proud. And he finna be ratchet for how long, y'all? 5 minutes. You feel me? So the way the game goes, I play a beat, okay? And we are going to go back and forth with a freestyle, but everything that you say gotta be about ratchet shit. Now, if your shit is subjectable, like you say that bitch come home straight after work type shit, in your rhyme, you gotta take a shot. You feel me? So I'm gonna need you to come with them skills, or you're gonna be leaving here real ragged and ratchet. But before we get into the game, and while I find my beat, tell the people what this is right here, y'all. This right here, I thought was some of the most talented way to push your new stuff for this new generation, for this COVID vaccine. We got to be non-touchable type thing. The man got his mixtape sealed in a bag, goddamn, for your whole ass. You hear me? Tell the people about that, but while I found this beat.
See right here, this is my mixtape. It's called Welcome to Liberia. I got it on a hard drive. I ain't really put it on the internet right now. Reason why, because I'm about to bring back street hustle. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people can't do street hustle. Why? Because they're not who they say they are. Or because they're afraid to come out here on the streets and put in real work. I'm not saying I'm gonna make it overnight, but fuck, at the same time, look. This what it really is though, you know what I'm saying? Nigga pushing, nigga grinding, and some different shit because...
Okay, but wait. So when I open this, what am I gonna get out of that?
When you open it, you're gonna get the hard drive.
You get a hard drive.
You got a hard drive.
Okay.
And you got all my tracks on it.
So then how do I get what's from the hard drive to my phone? Because, you know, everything is on the phone nowadays.
I don't think you're gonna be able to get it on it. I don't know how you go about doing it.
Oh, this hard drive goes to your car.
Go to your car.
Oh, shit, I ain't never had one of these. I know now.
See, now, if you
Oh
walking
my God.
you ain't got no trying to wait no
Free high five.
No, you can also put that in your Bluetooth.
On your Bluetooth, yeah, Bluetooth speaker, you know what I'm saying? Dude?
Oh, yes.
Laptop,
Okay,
right.
now this some technology and shit right here. This boy right here smart.
Once you put it on your Bluetooth,
Y'all, this is smart. Yeah, okay, so let me break it down for my other people, okay? Can I break it down for them real quick, y'all? Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, y'all know, like, when y'all plug y'all phone up to be charged and y'all had a little port in your car that go to the phone thing for you to charge. This is the thing that go in a little port, bitch. You ain't even got to plug your phone up. Hey, this man is fucking smart. So now, we didn't write down this other business that we had earlier. Now, I told you I needed a pen, and I got a pen, right? Okay, so we came out with our new, me and him finna do business right quick. I ain't telling you hoes what the name of it is, because y'all be hating. Whisper it to me, friend, one more time. Why you laughing? Why you laughing at me? Why is he laughing at me? Y'all serious?
I don't know you really doing all that.
Hold up. This over right here, right? That's it?
Yeah.
That's the damn thing?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna sign the line right here. You gonna sign?
No, I can sign a line. I can sign a line right now.
Sign this line.
No, I can sign
This
a
is
line.
our shit. Ratchet.
We're gonna talk about that in a little while. Tracy.
Okay, he doing real business. Fuck him, y'all, because I'm Ratchet. I'm going to go ahead and sign my name. Because I was here. That means I'm part of the motherfucker. I don't give a fuck if he sign that bitch or not. I'm a part of that motherfucker. You feel me? I'm a part of that bitch officially. With his official name as. He better recognize Ratchet Tracy side chick president. Alright, you ready? Here we go, y'all. Let's go. It's 10 minutes in. We got 5 minutes, but we ain't gonna take that whole 5. You feel me? This the beat. You ready? Ratchet concentration. For me, remember you coming in on the second and third round. Audience plays this game too. Here we go. I'ma start it out. Every round I'ma start it out. We're gonna do like we're gonna do at least 2 or 3 rounds. Here we go. I'm sorry. God damn it, didn't I just give you the rules? Y'all see what we have when we gonna follow the rules? Alright, here we go. You gotta stay ratchet shit. You gotta stay ratchet. By 4 bars. I bet this bitch she ratchet. She smelling like a cabbage. Man, go home and comb your hair, you looking savage.
Smoking weed was a habit. I remember chilling with dope fiends in the alley. Daddy trying to come get me to go home. Told Dad I ain't going home. I got a pocket full of stones.
Oh, that was me?
He stuck up in his zone. He started going crazy too.
Wait! I was into that shit. I was thought you about to tell me a story.
Yeah, dude.
God damn! High five, friend. That nigga killed the first round, y'all. I guess I gotta take a shot. Damn!
He was ratchet. You free. You trying to yeah.
That was good as fuck. All right, we ready. Round 2. Audience, you in this round. I'ma start it out. After that boy, it ain't gonna be on me, it's gonna be on that nigga. You hear me? You better be ready. Here we go. Same beat. Bitch, you dusty. And your kids gone. You ain't never at home, and then you leave them alone. Man, why you doing them kids like that? Bitch, you ratchet. You stealing out your cash. I can't do it. I ain't about that shit. I'm trying to tell you, you's a ratchet little bitch.
Ratchet little bitch, I'm just trying to move smooth and get rich. Duck a nigga that snitch, he trying to get me pinched. I'm trying to duck the pinch, cause I ain't trying to do 10. My auntie still sprung out on the dope, still want smoke.
Ratchet in the bitch, type of nigga, put sugar up in my grits. Catch me in the gas station trying to take a shit. I'm just ratchet in the bitch.
Yes! Now if you shit in the gas station, y'all, I done lost again. God damn! Y'all killed me out.
We all did it before.
Hey, I did that shit, oh boy. If you done shitted in the goddamn gas station, bitch, you ratchet. I say you ratchet. Bitch, you ratchet. Y'all, that was fun as fuck, bro.
Yeah, fuck with that, man.
Say, y'all, I so appreciate y'all coming through fucking with your girl, Ratchet Tracy. Hey, that was nothing but fucking love right there. They killed the goddamn ratchet concentration. Ain't nobody got drunk with my ratchet ass. But guess what, y'all? We turned up on the ratchet show. Hey, get with your boy official 85, official stick 85. Man, fuck with Ratchet Tracy.
Let me let y'all know one thing. If y'all not fucking with official sick and Ratchet Tracy, y'all sleep out here.
Y'all sleep.
Y'all sleep.
Come on. That's how we gonna end this up.
Y'all sleep. Y'all dozing, man.
Rock, drooling ass,
I'm telling you, man, y'all snoozing.
Them niggas drooling.
Come up.
Yeah.